My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Ford Focus Vignale. This vehicle has done just over 53,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. On our screen we can access mobile apps, Bluetooth and navigation, 4+ Connect, Apple and Android CarPlay, valet mode and vehicle settings, and ambient lighting. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel. If we press our mode button, we can switch between sport, normal and eco mode. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.